Ever wondered how yoga could contribute to your weight loss goals? Well, yoga isn't just about achieving inner peace or enhancing flexibility. In fact, yoga, especially power yoga, can be an effective tool in your weight loss journey. Power yoga, also known as dynamic flow, is a vigorous form of yoga that blends strength building, flexibility enhancing, and cardio-stimulating movements. This unique combination helps you burn calories and boost your metabolism, all while improving your overall physical and mental health. And the most fantastic part about it, you don't need to invest in expensive gym equipment or memberships. All you need is a yoga mat and a dash of determination right within the comfort of your own home. So, let's embark on this journey together, harnessing the power of yoga to shed those extra pounds and elevate our well-being. The best part is, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. Let's dive into the power yoga moves that will help you burn calories and boost your metabolism. Our journey begins with sun salutations, a sequence of poses that warm up the body and get the blood flowing. As you inhale, reach your arms overhead, stretching towards the sky. As you exhale, fold forward, releasing any tension in your body. Transitioning into a halfway lift with an inhale, use your exhale to step or jump back into a high plank position. Remember, each movement is linked with your breath, creating a dynamic flow that keeps your heart rate up and your metabolism firing. Now, let's take it up a notch. We're going to flow through a series of dynamic lunges, twists, and balancing poses. These poses engage large muscle groups, challenging your strength and stability while keeping your heart rate elevated. From your high plank, step your right foot forward, transitioning into a lunge. Extend your arms overhead, feeling the stretch in your legs and core. Next, twist your torso to the right, extending your right arm back and your left arm forward. Feel the twist in your torso, the engagement of your core muscles. From here, let's move into a balancing pose, the Warrior 3. Transitioning from your lunge, shift your weight onto your right foot, lifting your left leg off the mat. Extend your arms forward, creating a straight line from your fingertips to your left toes. Keep your core engaged, your gaze steady. Balancing poses like this not only build strength but also improve focus and concentration. Continue to flow through these poses, linking each movement with your breath, keeping your heart rate up, your body moving. Remember, the power of yoga lies in its ability to unite the mind, body, and spirit. As you move through these dynamic poses, be mindful of your breath, your movements. Feel the strength in your body, the calmness in your mind. Remember, yoga is about carrying this mindfulness and intention into your daily life. Embrace the power of yoga, not just on the mat, but in every aspect of your life. And watch as it transforms you, helping you achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life. Regular practice of yoga, coupled with a balanced diet and other forms of exercise, can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Power yoga, in particular, offers a unique blend of strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular conditioning that can lead to increased calorie burn and a boosted metabolism. Imagine the transformation, not just in your body, but in your overall well-being. Yoga is not just a physical journey, it's a mental and emotional one as well. It brings mindfulness, intention, and a sense of peace that can positively impact all areas of your life. Now envision yourself healthier, happier, and more balanced, all thanks to the power of yoga. This is not just a dream, it's a reality that's within your reach. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this.